On the heels of a News Channel 5 investigation, at least one metro school finally has the filtered water fountains that parents had been fighting for.
That despite claims from a district spokesperson that the filters designed to filter out toxic lead are an expensive choice that does nothing to protect children.
News Channel 5 chief investigative reporter Phil Williams put those claims to the truth test. Phil.
Well, guys, earlier this week, we first revealed a secret recording that led Metro Schools to put its head of facilities on leave while it investigates. Now the district seems to be trying to fix the problems, even as its spokesperson tries to convince the media that it's really not necessary.
You should be calling all parents to explain why the district can't find $8,000 to pay for water filters to ensure the water is safe for kids to drink.
At Tuesday night's school board meeting, parent Shelley Baldwin took aim at schools director Dr. Sean Joseph after that secret recording.
Water bottle filling stations. We've been talking about this.
Showed the district's director of facilities plotting to bypass almost 100 lead filters in some 30 schools, all to save less than $8,000 a year.
Just think what we could pay for if you drove yourself in a car that got good gas mileage instead of having somebody else drive you around in a Tahoe.
While she was speaking, maintenance workers were inside her daughter's school installing 4 filter systems that parents themselves had purchased. These photos were provided by the school system itself.
Well, the district is deeply concerned about what we heard on the recording.
District spokesperson Michelle Michaud, in an interview with CBS this morning, claimed it would cost $8,000 per school just to replace the filters.
It's a huge cost to the district, hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the price of 2 teachers' salaries.
But go back to the recording and it's clear that the administrator is calculating the cost of 100 filters at some 30 schools.
If we were to replace a filter, you're talking $75. So that's almost $8,000 a year just for filters. Okay, on what we have now.
Those filters are doing a good thing. They're making the water taste better, but they're not filtering out more lead.
Michaud also argued that filters really aren't needed since the district has already reduced lead levels below 15 parts per billion. She claimed the filters don't go any lower than that. But the companies that make the hydration stations tell a different story. One company's fact sheet notes that to be certified, a filter must reduce that level to less than 10 parts per billion. And experts say the real results are likely to be even lower.
So any one test result really doesn't tell us that our children's water at school is safe.
And John Rumpler, author of a report from the group Environment America that urges schools to get the lead out of the water, says Metro is fooling itself if it thinks one round of tests means children are in the clear.
You could test and find no lead one day, no lead the next day, and then boom, find a big slug of lead in the water. As long as there's lead in the water delivery system, you've got an inherent risk to our children.
Ironically, the hallway outside the spokesperson's office has a newly installed hydration system that's designed to filter out the lead, a benefit that Rumpler says children deserve as well.
Installing and properly maintaining these filters is a way to help protect our children and our health in our schools.
The school district spokesperson also told CBS this morning that the district has been completely transparent and posted all the results from their lead testing. But the truth is the district has only put up the numbers that they consider to be important. If you want to see all of the results, we've got them on our website, newschannel5.com.